Hello, I'm Shin, and this is Warhammer painting Khainite Shadowstalkers, Darkflame Warlocks, and today we will finish parade painting this one. So at the beginning we'll take Staccaton Scale Green and we'll painting this here. We're creating a magic effect. We could also paint this. I know this was already painted like before, but let's one more time, because now we are making aura effect. Oh, autofocus. Okay. Now we are taking Clear Teclis Blue, and that's different from Thunderhawk Blue that we were always taking. And also with this paint we are painting this. Okay. Now we are taking Clear Fenris and Grey and layering. Okay, and at the end layer White Scar. And on the point, highlighted places, most highlighted. Okay. Now we are taking base Celestia Grey. And with this, we will paint base coat this magic flame, but not whole one, but mainly these places where the main flame is coming from. Also we can paint it on a cape a little to make an effect, glowing effect. Okay, now we're taking Colia green shade, and with this we are covering these flames. Okay, now we will waiting for dry, but meanwhile we can take already and rocket flash and something for dry brushing, and we can start base coating, not base coating but dry brushing base. You know what, I have to dry it brush. I will take another one. It can even be this small one. Okay, the flame is still drying, so meanwhile I will take light bulb witch flash, and again I will use this small brush for dry brushing. And okay, dry brushing we have done. We are waiting for the flame. Now we are taking layer Utan Grey and layering these flames. Okay, and once again we are taking shade Cavallia green shade and marking layering as parts what we just already painted. Okay, and at the end we are taking clear white scar, and with this paint we point most apex places and most coming from base places. Okay, and we finished. This is parade ready by me, miniature. We can also find a leader here. Darkflame Warlock with set sword and magic flame. In next video I will show you how to paint weapon on this crossbows for Darkflame Warlock, and his hair. He is exactly painted with the same method as this one. Yeah, so for today, thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment like below. If you want more, just subscribe channel, and see you next time. For better photos, I enjoy it for my Instagram. Thank you for watching, bye.